Namo Namaha. My name is Shubha and you are watching Tattvam YouTube channel. This is the first video in the Varnamala series. In this series, I will be teaching how to pronounce Samskritam sounds properly. I will also be teaching how to read and write the Devanagari script. Along with this, I will also be telling some in-depth concepts about the Samskritam sounds. So please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notifications when I add new videos. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn how to pronounce the vowels. In the next video, I will teach you how to write the vowels. Vowels are called swaraha in Sanskritam. The word swaraha itself defines what a vowel is. Swaraha stands for Swayam Rajate iti swaraha. That is, those sounds which can be pronounced independently are called swaraha. We can easily pronounce a, e and all these vowels independently. But consonants like k, ch, t, p, these cannot, it's difficult to pronounce them independently. It is easier to pronounce k, p, t when the vowel is added to it. That is why these sounds which can be pronounced independently easily are called swaraha. First, I will show each vowel, each swara and pronounce it. You can pronounce it after me and then we will look into more details and intricacies. A, I, E, U, R, L. Please note, this is not L, it is L. A, I, O, Au, Ah. Now we will look into some details. You must have noticed that the vowels are appearing in pairs. A is one pair, E is one pair, U another pair. So one sound is short sound A. These short sounds A, E, U, R are called hrasva swaras. And the long sounds A, E, U, R are called dirgha swaras. Interesting fact is, in Sanskritam, we have longer swaras that are longer than the dirgha swaras and they are called pluta swaras. Hrasva swara is one matra, dirgha swara is two matras and pluta swaras are for three matras. For example, A, is the pluta swara. I will make a separate video on more details about the pluta swara. The next detail is, as already mentioned, this sound is L. It is not Lr. Lr is a sound which comes under the consonant category. It is consonant L plus the R of vowels. Joined together is Lr, but this is L. This sound appears in Vedic mantra. I use Google input tools for typing Devanagari script. In Google input tools, typing small l gives me the vowel l, and typing small l and capital R gives me lr, which is the combination of the consonant l and the vowel r. And this sound l does not have a dirgha swara. It has its corresponding plutaswara, but it does not have a corresponding dirghaswara. The next aspect that I want to tell is these sounds a, I, o, au are always dirghaswaras. They do not have their corresponding hrasvaswaras. It is always long. In Sanskritam, if you want to say Venkateshaha, it is always Venkateshaha, but it is not Venkateshaha in Sanskritam. But other local languages which do have the short A, in those languages, like for example in Kannada, there is a short A. So in Kannada, Venkateshaha is fine. But in Samskritam, it is always Venkateshaha. A, I, O, Au do not have their corresponding hrasvaswaras. The next thing is, these sounds and aha are neither pure vowels nor are they consonants. They come under the category of ayoga vahaha. They are called like this because they do not appear in Panini's Maheshwara Sutras. Hence, ayoga. Vahaha because they play a significant role in the usage of the language. Prayogam vahanti. So that is why vahaha. Is given the name anuswara. It is called anuswara. So if you come across this term called anuswara, it means and is given the name visarga. This visarga is actually supposed to be pronounced as an expulsion of air. But mostly in the south we pronounce it as aha. That has been the usage predominantly in the south. So since I am also from the south, I might sometimes pronounce it that way, but most of the times I do try to pronounce it like an expulsion. Like Rama. A quick summary of the hrasva, dirgha and pluta and other details that I have explained so far is being captured in this table. The sounds a, I, U, R, they have their hrasva, dirgha and plutaswaras. The sound L does not have a dirgha swara, but it has its pluta. A, I, O, Au do not have their hrasva swaras, but they have their plutaswaras. And and aha come under the ayoga vahaha category. With all this understanding, let us again go through all the sounds. A, I, U, R, L, A, I, O, Au, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, then please do like, share and comment below and let me know that this video was of value to you. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. I will address them. Please do subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon because then you will be notified when I add new videos. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.